Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about how to connect with PostgresQL from Node application. So first, create one Node application. I created this Node application by using Express framework. If you want to check how I created this Node application, just go through my previous videos. Once it is done, you can install PostgreSQL database in your machine. How we can install means just go to the official website PostgreSQL. Just type like PostgreSQL SQL download. Click on this one. This is your official website Postgres. This is the one. Just go to official website. Now you can download for Windows if you want. My machine is like Windows, so you can download a download installer, or you can download a zip. Whatever you want, you can download. I prefer this installer. I downloaded, I installed. Okay, once you install, you can find this PostgreSQL in your program files. Go to EC, go to program files. Here you can find, here somewhere you can find your PostgreSQL. Yes. This is the version and this is the bill. Here the PostgreSQL related commands are there. So these commands I want to make it available to my command prompt. So set the path for this particular bill. Set a system path. So copy this path and go to your computers. Right click on this one, properties. Click on properties and click on advanced system settings. Click on environmental variables. Click on path. Edit it. And here click on new and paste this one. I already set the path. Okay, if you not set, just you can set it. Okay, just click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Done. My system path is set. But through command prompt, I don't want to connect with the PostgreSQL. I have one tool is there. DBR is the tool. Using the tool, I want to connect with the PostgreSQL database. So let's download that one and install. The software is like, tool name is like DBVR. This is the official website. You can download from there. Okay, this is the tool which is used to connect with multiple databases. It's like a free multi-platform database tool for developers. Just download it and install. I already installed. Just go to DBViewer. Just click on this. See this community free universal database manager. The version is like 21.1.5. I used this version. Now just clear all this stuff, clear everything. I don't want all these things. Just clear it. Just connect with your PostgreSQL. How you can connect? Just click on this one. See, DB2 is there, DuckDB is there, PostgreSQL is there. These many databases we can connect. These many databases we can connect with the DBR. So one of the database PostgreSQL. Click on that. Click on next. Give some information about the PostgreSQL already installed, right? Where it is running localhost 5432 and database name is like what, PostgreSQL. The username Postgres and the password system I given at the time of installing my PostgreSQL software in my system. So system is my password. Click on the finish. Now open this. Now, if the information is correct, there has some green tick mark again. Say this. Yes, it's successfully connected with your PostgreSQL database. So this is my PostgreSQL server and this is my database. Inside the database that has schemas or their public tables. I want to create one table now. Create a new table. Now the table name what? Students is my table. Students is my table. Just create one column. Here the column name you can give it name. And create one more column, address. Create one more column like addresses. Say OK and then save just persist. Yes, my table created. Now our requirement is I want to insert some data inside this table from my node application. That is our requirement. So that can write some piece of code in my node application. Let's open. Just create one endpoint here. Just create one endpoint. What is my endpoint? Just paste it. This is my boilerplate code. Post and std registration. Here I have to insert some data in my postgresql code. You have to write it. To connect with postgresql, we have one library is there. That library you have to install first. The library name is like pg npm install pg postgres hyphen save. While running this library, make sure your internet should be enabled. Your internet should be enabled. Why? Because this library taken from cloud into your local machine. So that make sure your internet should be enabled. Once it is installed, you can see that pg library in your package.json. So write your code. First, if you want to insert the data is required. Which data? I want the data which is coming from request through body. The data is like name and address. Name and address. This data I want to store within the PostgreSQL database. So to connect with PostgreSQL, already library is there, right? What's my library? Required. PG is my library. Here they provided one class called as a client to connect with your PostgreSQL. So that is a class. If it is like a class, you have to create an object. While creating an object, you have to provide your PostgreSQL database related information to connect. So where my PostgreSQL is running, hostname, localhost. The next one. What is my port number? Port number 5432. The next one. User. What's my user? Postgres. Postgres is my user. The next one. Password. What is my password? System is my password. Database. What is my database? Postgres is my database. If you want to check this is my database. This information, if you want to see, come here. This information, if you want to see, just check it. View database. Okay, here, edit connection, hostname, port number, database name, username, and password. All this information you can get it. Now, once you provided this information, is this really this information is correct or not? Can we check by connecting? So client.connect. You can connect. While connecting, I don't know how much time it will take. I don't know. It successfully will connect or failure. So that they ask like one callback function. Give me one callback function. I will call once my task is completed. If it is like failure, I will give the failure message as a first argument. If it is like success, I will give that success information as a second argument. So here you can write the code like if error information is there, that means what? It's failure. So response.send off action like this you can write it. Else error is not there. Nothing but what? Error is nothing but success. So that here, if it is like there is no error, it's like a success. If it is success, then what you have to do? You have to execute the query. Can we execute the query? Which query? Insert into students. My values are what? My values are two values. I have to pass it. One value is this one value is this one. The first value is like what? Name and edit. The name is one value. The ADD is like another. The name is one value. ADD is like another value. This is my query. So that can we execute the query? Client dot query is the method to execute this query. While executing, same problem. I don't know how much time it will take. Is it like success or failure also? I don't know. So that you can give the callback method. If error is there, you can give this error back. Response.send off error. If it is like success, you can give that success message. Response.send off your success message. That's it. This is the way you can write the endpoint which is used to connect with your PostgreSQL. First here, take the data. This is like take data. Here, connect with the here, this is like what? Connect with database. Once you connect it, okay, you can give if it's like failure, okay, give response back. Like if it is like success, perform required operation. Some operation. Once my operation is completed, you have to give the response back. You have to give the response back to this guy or not. Yeah. Test it. Will it work or not? Okay, let's do it. Localhost 2020 users. My path is like STD registration is my path. Yes, PD registration is my path. Can we send that data? Which data you want me to send? Come here. Name and address data, you have to send it. Name and address. Name is like, full name is like S1, the address is like HY. Can we send it? Send. Now come here, see this row count inserted one row. Can we check really it's inserted or not? Can we go to your PostgreSQL? Can we run one SQL? Okay, what is that? Select star from students. Now can we run this? Yes, one HY inserted or not? For example, if you want to insert one more, yes2, okay, VSK. Okay, if I click on send, see inserted one. Can we check again in my PostgreSQL? Now, can we run this one? Yes, there has one more record added or not. This is the way we can connect with my PostgreSQL by using Node application. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.